Hey, stop panicking. Right, what are you doing to pass your time? How would you like to learn how to put a business together? I have exactly what you need to pass your time at home. Okay, I would like to offer you a 15-day business builder challenge. All right, one that you can use to build a second income. Right, what we offering you today is how to put landing pages together, all about affiliate marketing. So anything you want to learn about affiliate marketing, I have the perfect blueprint for you today. There's nothing else like this on the market, right? This will hold you by the hand and show you everything step by step from start to finish, how you can build a successful business. This is all about affiliate marketing, all right? So what I want you to do, just go ahead, click the link somewhere around this video, and it will take you over to all that we have to offer. Go ahead, click the link below, all right? And see what's in the package. See ya.